Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of my students are enjoying good health. In this particular video, I will tell you about important short questions of 10th class chemistry, chapter number 10, acid, bases and salts. One, write down the limitations of Arrhenius' concept of acid and base. 2. What is meant by neutralization reaction? Write an equation. 3. Write two uses of pH. 4. Define pH. What is pH of pure water? These questions have come in board exams more than 15 times. 5. Write uses of sulfuric acid. 6. What is indicator? Give two examples. 7. What are salts? Write down two characteristics of salts. 8. How ammonia acts as Lewis base. 9. Why hydrogen ion act as Lewis acid? These questions have come in board exams more than 10 times. Write definition of acid and base in different concept. 11. How insoluble salts are prepared. 12. Why pure water is not a strong electrolyte. 13. Write two uses of acetic acid. 14. Find out pH of solution of HCl having molarity 0.01 m. These questions have come in board exams more than 7 times. 15. Define hyperacidity. Write function of HCl in stomach. 16. How conjugate acid and conjugate base are formed. 17. Why BF3 behave as Lewis acid. 18. Write four uses of bases. 19. Which salt is used to prepare plaster of Paris. 20. Find pH of 0.001 m solution of KOH. These questions have come in board exams more than 5 times. You can easily get answers of all these questions from Punjab textbook or any helping books. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.